What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals. Today's a beautiful Sunday, but before we ride I picked something up from Memphis Shades. I actually picked up a set of hand guards for my road glide here, and we're gonna do a little install video before we hit the road. Alright, I'll show you what comes in the box. So I got these Memphis Shades Hand Guards. There's the part number. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. So we got instructions. We got all the parts and pieces that are going to connect. We got the hand guards themselves. So here are the hand guards. These are the pieces that are going to go onto the handlebars, and I got washers under there. So these hand guards are the ones without the cutout for the light, because I do not have that. So these are all one piece. Comes out nice. So what we're going to do first, we're going to unloosen these bolts and put these brackets on. Alright, let's do that. So first I took apart a little bracket. So it has a rubber grommet that's going to go into these holes, a piece that holds it, and 2 screws for the back. So we're going to take these rubber grommets and we're going to put them in the holes here. And there's the second one. So after I put the rubber grommets in, there's these little pieces here that's going to hold the bolt. So you're going to push those right in. He's going to be facing out. Just like that. So before I bolt anything down, I want to make sure it's oriented the right way. So here's the back side of it. I'm gonna take the bracket here, and then where this is gonna sit is gonna be right here where the mirror bolt is. So we have to unscrew that. But first I'm going to put all the bolts back in here, so this is held in place. So I'm going to go tighten them down. Now I don't want it too tight. There you go. It's firm on there. Probably could tighten this one a little bit more. Alright. It's nice and tight. Then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to untighten this bolt for the mirror. And we'll tighten it down. once we're on the bike, I'll actually adjust my mirror again.
Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm here in Harriman State Park. I actually took all highway to get up here, and these hand guards are pretty awesome. You know, I didn't feel any wind on my hands here. I actually had to go outside of it. Even though when my hand sits here, like you see right here, and you know, these are the knuckles of the gloves, you don't even feel that because the wind is actually pushing it up and over. And I recommend these for winter riding, or you know, sometimes I wear no gloves, so maybe during the summer it'll probably feel nice, you know. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, and we're out here just cruising through the park here. Yeah, but that's my little install and review of these hand guards. Also, you know, this month is Movember. In my previous video, I said I teamed up with Movember.com to raise awareness for men's mental health, men's physical health, testicular cancer, prostate cancer. So I'll leave a link below. You know, if you can, please donate. All the proceeds will go to Movember.com, and they have a list of all things that they do with the money to go towards research for cancer, you know, programs for veterans that just, you know, need help, and by just talking to them. So it's a great cause for Movember. If you can't donate, it's okay. Just what I want you to do is just go talk to a gentleman and a male figure that you have in your life, and you know, see how they're doing. That's all it takes, just to see what they're up to, how they're doing, how they're feeling. So yeah, man, I'm going to enjoy this ride, and I'll see you guys later. Back to the garage.
So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did like today's video, please leave it a like. Also leave a comment below if you have these, or if you're running them on your Harley Davidson. Also, give my channel a subscribe. Once in a while I do these install videos. A little easy enough for me to do, so it's not too bad. So it's a beautiful day. Let's get out and ride. I'll see you later. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.